The 2023 Hyundai Venue is a pint-sized crossover with a quart-sized interior. While it lacks some desirable optional features such as all-wheel drive, the Venue comes with a host of driver assistance features, as well as infotainment goodies, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. All Venues are equipped with a 121-horsepower four-cylinder engine, front-wheel drive, and a continuously variable automatic transmission. This powertrain lacks power for passing on the highway, but it is perfectly suited for scooting around town. Despite its drawbacks, the Venue's impressively low starting price and surprisingly spacious cabin makes it a compelling option for buyers on a budget. What's new for 2023? The 2023 Venue receives a few new features. Hyundai has added a rear seat alert to remind drivers of passengers or items that could be forgotten in the back seat after parking. A center console armrest now comes standard, and the digital screen in the instrument cluster has been enlarged to 4.2 inches and is now rendered in color. The limited trim now comes with a wireless smartphone charging pad. Pricing and which one to buy. We think the top-of-the-line limited trim is the one to get. Not only does it have all the content that comes on the other two models, it also can be had with a unique denim exterior and interior treatment, which includes a dark blue exterior hue with a contrasting white painted roof. The cabin also gets rendered in dark blue upholstery with a denim-like fabric insert on the seats. The limited trim level also comes standard with 17-inch wheels, heated front seats, a wireless smartphone charging pad, and in-dash navigation. Engine, transmission, and performance. Every Venue is powered by a 121-horsepower four-cylinder engine, which delivers sufficient motivation around town but has a complete lack of passing power on the highway. A continuously variable automatic transmission, CVT, is the only gearbox. Shoppers who want all-wheel drive will be disappointed because all models are front drive only. We drove a Venue around Miami and learned that the subcompact SUV is agile in traffic, thanks to its small proportions and reactive steering. Unfortunately, that steering was touchy on the highway, and our SEL model often required our attention to stay steady in our lane at highway speeds. That makes us think the tiny Hyundai is better suited for short commutes rather than highway road trips. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The Venue is estimated to earn 29 miles per gallon in the city and 33 mpg on the highway. Those numbers are slightly worse than those of the Nissan Kicks, which has estimates of 31 miles per gallon city and 36 mpg highway. The Venue that we tested on our 75 miles per hour highway route, which is part of our extensive testing regimen, saw 31 miles per gallon, 2 miles per gallon short of its EPA highway rating. For more information about the Venue's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Despite its small dimensions, the Venue has a roomy cabin for its size. Both the front and rear seats have ample passenger space, and the cushions in both rows are comfortable. The design isn't particularly flashy, but the interior is well assembled and bolstered by sturdy switchgear and an attractive gauge cluster and infotainment system. A leather-wrapped steering wheel and shift knob are standard, and the SEL trim, heated front seats and passive entry with push-button start are optional but standard on the Limited. Too bad there's no dual-zone climate control, heated steering wheel, head-up display, or power-operated adjustments for the front seats. Base models now come standard with a center console armrest. Wireless charging, which the Venue had been missing, is available for the limited trim. Curiously, the limited trim cannot be ordered with the optional sunroof. Still, the Venue cabin is a pleasant place to spend time, and with the 60/40 split folding rear seats in use, it has 19 cubic feet of cargo room. That volume increases to 32 cubes when the back seat is folded flat. Infotainment and connectivity. Every Venue comes with a user-friendly 8.0-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capability. The infotainment system has attractive menus that responded quickly to our inputs, and the unit also has useful volume and tuning knobs below the screen. Those looking for built-in navigation with real-time traffic updates can have it on the SEL and Limited. Otherwise, the base SE has an audio system with 4 speakers, while the SEL and Limited offer 6. Safety and driver assistance features. Hyundai outfits every model with standard driver assistance technology. Blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert become standard, starting on the mid-level SEL. For more information about the Venue's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety websites. Key safety features include standard forward collision warning and automated emergency braking, standard lane departure warning and lane keeping assist, standard driver attention monitor, warranty and maintenance coverage. Hyundai and its corporate counterpart, Kia, provide the best powertrain warranty on the market, as well as one of the best limited warranty plans too. Hyundai also offers complimentary scheduled maintenance that bests mainstream rivals, such as Toyota. Limited warranty covers 5 years or 60,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 10 years or 100,000 miles. Complimentary maintenance is covered for 3 years or 36,000 miles.